Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Ramya Sri. I am going to deal the subject of computer fundamentals and Photoshop. Today our topic is working with pen tool, shape tool, type tool, zoom tool and hand tool. The first one is working with pen and shape tools. What is meant by pen tool? The pen tool is used to create and draw lines, curves or free form lines and shapes. They can be used to draw smooth edged paths. The procedure while using the pen tool is open the image and click on the pen tool and change the options on options bar. Automatically the options bar window will be displayed. Here we can click on the image where we want to begin to draw and also to define the first anchor point. Then we can click or drag to set anchor points for additional parts. Then the additional parts are selected. Complete the paths at the beginning to ending point. The ending point will be completed with at the beginning point. So this is the procedure while using the pen tool. See the image, the pen tool is how it will be formed, and it will be create and draw the lines, curves and free form lines and shapes. So we are used to draw smooth edged paths. So this is the importance while using the pen tool. Then we can go for shape tool. The shape tools are used to draw various shapes like rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, line, polygon and custom shapes like animals, objects, symbols, etc. These are different types of shapes are available in the Adobe Photoshop. So any one of these that can be selected by using the shape tool. By filling it, the image will be selected in that shape. The procedure to use the shape tool is open the image and right click on the shape tool. Then automatically the shape options bar will be displayed. Here we can choose the either rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, line, polygon. Different shapes are available in this options bar, or we can select custom shape tool also. Here we can having animals, objects, symbols, etc. So any one of this selected, then the change options on options bar. Automatically we can drag the shape on the image the size we want. So this is the usage of shape tool. Then we can go for working with text. How we can work with text? How we can enter the text to an image? By using the type tool. The type tool is used to add the text to an image wherever we type some text in Photoshop. It is created on a separated layer called type layer. There are 4 types of type tool having. Those are horizontal type, vertical type, horizontal type mask and vertical type mask tool. The horizontal type is used to create a text horizontally on an image. The text will be filled with a specified color, and vertical type is used to create text vertically on image. The text will be filled with specified color. Then the horizontal type mask is used to create a text horizontally on an image. It creates only outline of text. Then the vertical type mask is used to create the text vertically on an image. It creates only outline of image. So these are the different types of type tool. Any one of will be selected. Then the procedure to use the type tool is open the image and right click on the type tool group. Then we can click required tool in the options bar. Click on the image. Then a blinking cursor will be appear. Type the required text in the box. Automatically the typing text will be applied to an image. So this is the usage of type tool. Then we can go for zooming and panning of images. What is meant by zooming and what is meant by panning? Zooming the image while using zoom tool. The zoom tool is used to increase or decrease the view size of an image. When view is increased, then it is called zoom in, and when the view is decreased, then it is called zoom out. The procedure to use zoom tool: open the image, click on the image zoom tool, then we can zoom tool having the zoom in and zoom out. We can go for zoom in. It increases the zoom size. Click on the image repeatedly for required size. We can increase the view size up to 1600%. Then we can select the zoom out, decrease the zoom size. Then hold down Alt key. Then click on the image repeatedly for required size. We can decrease the view of size up to 0.18%. So this is the usage of zoom tool. Then we can go for hand tool. By using the hand tool, an image is zoomed, then the entire image is not fit in the image window. So the hand tool is used to navigate from one part of image to another. If the image is fit within image window, then hand tool will not work. The procedure to use hand tool: open the image and click on the hand tool, then drag the image to navigate. So these tools are used for zooming and panning the images in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching.